Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes and this is a VL800 Intruder from Suzuki. An absolute Bobby Dazzler this is. Finished off in the gloss black, loads and loads of chrome on this. It is a clean bike itself. Facts and figures wise, it's a 2007 on an 07, 6,780 miles it has done. It has got some panniers just in the front there, but we have taken them off just so you can see how clean this bike is. It's an absolute belter, really is nice. Turn that on so you can see it display there. Got your touring screen, super comfy seats, obviously the backrest for the passenger as well. Like I say, the luggage down at the bottom. Great looking bike, super comfy, should I say super comfy grips, super clean. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike. In order to get this one purchased, pop down to Jordanbikes or easiest thing, give us a buzz. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.